Good morning, you handsome pieces of shit. It's Ratchet Garage here, and you know how it go. It's 10 something in the morning, and we're gonna give you guys a nice fire update on what the hell's been going on. Okay, so I don't know how many of you guys know, but I did order my adapter plate and flywheel from xatracing.com. Here's my plate from, check them out, they got some good stuff. These right here, these holes hook up to the engine itself, and the other holes that have threads are hooked up to the transmission. And I did get my clutch resurfaced. I went to Tennessee Clutch and Supply and they took care of me. So look, this looks like it's brand new. He took the clutch disc out. Let me see if I can get this off. He took the clutch disc out and popped the rivets off and put new pads on. So they took care of me over there. Also gave me a clutch alignment tool. Let's see if we can get this thing off. There's the pressure plate. Here's the disc. Yeah. Here's the flywheel. It all looks too good, too fast, too strong. So yeah, that stuff's looking good right there. Hopefully we get to put that on the car, on the engine today. I'm gonna clear some of this out right here and hook everything up, have the transmission on and everything. So all I have to do is wait for my motor mounts and slap the big boy on, because I want this thing done. So what I'm doing now is trying to get all this rust off of here, because I'm gonna paint this thing because it's so ugly, and all the rust off of here because it's not gonna seal perfectly. And I'm gonna get this ground right here and reconnect it, pull it off of here and reconnect it because it's ripped. And I'm gonna start putting all the alternator and power steering and all those stuff back on. I gotta fix the alternator connector because that thing broke. So everything's brittle on this car since it's such an old car, but it's coming back together slowly. I got another connector for the alternator in here, right there. It fits perfectly. It's got three prong, fits how it should. So I'm just gonna cut the other one and solder it. Okay, so the connector for the alternator is in pieces. I have one, but I broke it a little bit. Come on. Anyway, this is broke, kind of. So I got an extra harness here. I'm gonna look through and see if I can find a connector to fit here. I might just clip the wire and solder it and get the alternator on today, because I need that. Alright, so I came to the conclusion that I don't really want to use this connector because it's old, it's cracking too. So I'm just gonna toss this. It broke already, so I'm just gonna toss it. I'm gonna take the alternator to school tomorrow and find a connector that works, and this can work, but I don't want to risk it because, as you know, the LS400 engine bay is kind of tight. I just don't want to crawl up under there. I want to make sure everything's right out here and drop everything in there.
Boy, if you do not turn off that copyrighted music and talk to this damn camera on this beautiful day.
You can talk to the camera, bitch.
Well, so as you can see, it's been 2 weeks. I just woke up from my nap.
3 weeks.
3 weeks. Picked up the camera. First thing we do is take out the seat. So we basically got most of the engine work done. Well, mainly all of it, to be honest. All we have to do is mount the clutch. We're figuring that out now because we do have some difficulties, but it should be done. If you're also doing this build, which I know someone hit me up on Instagram about it, go on the Lexus page, the LS400 page on Facebook. We're a little confused. They should help you out on there if we do not cover everything. But so what's the plan for the pedal?
So the hardest part of this build is actually getting the clutch pedal to work and finding a good place for it. So a lot of people on the forums have said junk the pedal, junk the floor mounted e-brake, get a SC300 e-brake and mount it to the damn side of the carpet. What I was actually thinking was, this is the body control module, this is the fuse box. Under here is room, but everybody else is saying to do the e-brake style because the e-brake style already has the mounts. All I need to do is extend the pedal down here and run the hole down to the transmission. Excuse me, what is it called? Reverse swing style clutch pedal assembly with the master cylinder already connected onto it. So pretty much the master cylinder will be right here, up here inside the dash, but I might actually run a line through the engine bay and put a reservoir for the fluid in the engine bay because it'll be way easier to get to and way better. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go with the reverse style and junk this guy right here, hook up an SC300 handbrake pedal.
That's fly.
And or cut it out right here and put a hydraulic e-brake, but I think I'm gonna run cable for a little bit and see how that goes. Also, I found a parking management corporation, valet parking. So also, did you see what I found?
No, you found something?
I found my engine cover.
For what?
Go look at it. It's on the picnic table.
But you gotta answer one question. What kind of clutch pedal can you use? Does it have to be a certain type or?
You can use any kind of clutch pedal. You can use anything. This is your build, but I'm gonna go with probably the CNC clutch pedal or the Neo clutch pedal assembly because it already comes with the master cylinder already hooked up to it, and it's just way easier. All I gotta do is custom make a bracket.
Where can you find the C whatever thing you just said?
eBay has it. All you gotta do is search up CNC clutch pedal assembly or Neo clutch pedal assembly, but it's your build. You do it however you want, but I'm just doing it this way.
There's a cool guy that DM'd us on Instagram. He's doing a LS400 build with a 1J, and it's like pretty cool. I'm probably screenshot it and put the little picture of his LS400 they sent me. That's why we're going a little more in depth and I don't know how to say it, in the clutch pedal because he was a little stuck on that part. So we're trying to help out our fans as much as possible. Probably see him at car meets, you already know. But yeah, we're gonna go look at the.
Tickets to a car meet.
Huh?
I got 2 tickets to a car meet.
2 tickets at a car meet.
Good guys car meet.
Good guys car meet. If you guys know what it is, say it in the comments.
Stadium.
Nissan Stadium, Tennessee Titans, you already know. But yeah, we're gonna go look. Hopefully have some fun. Maybe see you guys there. Try to get some stickers, pass them out, all that good stuff.
What is this?
It's an iPhone case. Ooh!
This thing needs a wash.
Golly. Get that whole piece out.
Ooh, Velcro. Wow, Toyota. This automatic trash. Automatic trash. Automatic trash. Out of here. Trash.
So that's all you have to do is 2 simple screws and you go to manual?
Yes. This is my e-brake. My e-brake. E-brakes.
E-brakes?
E-brakes. So I'm gonna leave it like this because I might have to cut here. Excuse me, that was really unprofessional of me. So I think
Wait, let me switch angles.
broke that. Anyways, I think I can switch just to an SC300 cable, which is shorter, so it should be right here. So I'm gonna probably start pulling the guy out and start making room for the clutch pedal. But first, let me take a selfie. And I gotta find out where all these bolts go, because I don't know where. And I am not trying to get confused. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Right, Pisher? Next, maybe in 2 weeks you'll be graduating, so we got that going on, and Ramadan going on, and a lot of other things for this bad boy. So it's gonna be a great project. People who are doing this swap, we will work with you guys. We will talk to you guys. We will help you a lot. This is my first swap ever.
Especially my boy on Insta that hit us up. Cool 1J swap.
1J dude will help you out too.
Yeah, definitely.
It's just cool to see people do things with these cars, because these cars are frowned upon because they're big, heavy, lame. Only good thing about the car is the 1UZ, but I love the car. And Big Head is telling me to cut the video, but
the video is too long.
I like the car. The car is a great car.
We're gone. We're gonna go pet this bad boy. He's asleep. Or she.
Damn asshole, you just cut my scene like that.
Don't forget to leave a
Like button.